Hey guys, we are just on a boat on Lake Douglas in Andrews, Tennessee. And we're supposed to be having some stormy weather, but it seems like the wind is blowing the clouds that way instead of where we are. We will soon be approaching the bridge that goes over Lake Douglas, close to Tennessee Highway 92. Guy over there. It seems like I'm really glad we decided to rent this boat. It's got good shelter. We can cover. We wanted a boat with a little bit of shelter. And if it's stormy, the guy said you could find a silent cove. And you tell the wind blowing our hair. It's looking pretty good. Happen to know it's a pretty quiet boat. We're currently heading to go get some lunch, like a late lunch, early dinner. Let's zoom in. There's the bridge right over there. And it's a pleasant wind, not like a winter wind. Feels like 80, not so hot. Great. Look how much power that boat thing has. Man, oh man. Almost the brand of the boat is 50 boats. We got an ice chest right there, full of water and cokes. Full towards going under the bridge. Beautiful. Kind of feels like Dad's the captain of this boat. We're hoping to, although sometimes it's lightning, but we heard some thunder, but no lightning, which is good. We'll look forward to finding out. Look forward to seeing the bridge. I'm sweating. It's not the 90s, I would call it the 80s. Wind's blowing our hair. You can tell the water almost looks similar to an ocean, but it's not an ocean, it's a lake, because there are no oceans in